run into a brick wall and trying to get you permission. And my advice to you and your crew is to be extremely cautious anywhere near the border.
Nosotros tenemos el permiso de las autoridades militares para volar.
Right now, the Border Patrol is very aggressive, and given the political climate, I would expect that there's even a prospect of being arrested or prosecuted.
Place the code on the border. Ned, ready? Let's get the players on set.
Me llamo Mariano Argote, tengo 19 años.
My name is Peter Clementi, I'm from Palm Springs, California.
Me fascina el tenis y si hacen aún más complicado poder cruzar la frontera, no voy a poder jugar ni con amigos ni torneos en Estados Unidos.
Going back and forth from the US to Mexico is a lot more complicated than I would like it to be. I don't know much about the politics about the wall, but most of my friends, a lot of my good friends are from Mexico, and I train with them, I get better with them, and I wouldn't be the tennis player I'm today without those friends I've met.